Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. We are currently in a Ford Aspire. Aspire to be awesome. It's a 1997 Ford Aspire, as you can see, blue, and the manual override for the gear shift can be found right behind here. Get a flathead screwdriver and pop this open. And once you get inside there, this one, there's a button there that you press, but this one is broke or something, so it won't work, but there'll be a button there to press. But what you want to do is get your key, and you want to put it in the ACC 1 position. So you get your key, get an ACC, push in the brake, and then push that button while you shift it out of park. And that's how you get your vehicle that's stuck in park because your battery died. That's just what you got to do. Alright, well, this has been another Matthumanpizza video. There it is, Ford Aspire. Aspire to be totally 100%, 300% awesome.